What's happening, everybody? Well, kind of doing a thing. So what I've done is I put those lowering springs on the back of Stormy. I haven't set her all the way down yet, and I was gonna do an install video, but to be honest with you guys, it goes together. These springs go in so quickly that it's almost easier for me to show you how I did it as opposed to giving you guys a step-by-step, because there's really only a few steps to this and literally the springs pop right in. Real quick, tools used for this are a 13/16, a 21 millimeter, and a 16 millimeter. 16 millimeter is going to be for the sway bar upper mount. The 21 and the 13/16 are for the shock. On both sides, you're going to want to remove the upper portion of that sway bar link. And then, of course, where the shock mounts, you're going to remove that bolt and nut. With a couple of jacks on the frame rails, I've removed the jack stands, and the truck's pretty much already on the ground, but just for illustrative purposes, again, always use your jack stands. But grab a couple of high lift jacks and just start lifting the truck up. From there, you can literally just reach in and pull that spring out with your hands. Just get the truck up in the air enough to where you can just reach in there, you can feel that spring, and you can just literally pop it right out of there. Literally nothing to it. Tighten everything back up in the reverse order after you put the springs in, obviously, and basically you're done. Let the thing back down on the ground. There she is, back down on the ground. Let's get her outside and take a better look. And there you go, guys. That's what she looks like in the back. Way better looking. Pulled that rear end down about 2 inches. Looks a lot more proportional now. That'll settle down about another 1/4 of an inch or so with a few miles. But I am so much happier with the way she looks. Sorry about the road noise, guys. Oh yeah, way better. I'm trying to get a little bit different perspective, a little bit further away shot for you guys. Man, that's way better looking. All right, guys, had to come back in the shop. Lots of road noise, lots of folks driving by. But I will tell you this, it literally took me longer to just video the after video than it did for me to actually do the install. Super easy if you've got the right tools, primarily a couple of jacks that can lift the thing up in the air. But aside from that, extremely easy, totally, completely changes the look of the truck. Absolutely love it. It's the first modification that I'm bringing to you, and I am stoked with how it turned out. So with that, post up your comments, let me know what you think, and that is a wrap. Adios.